What's up, guys? Are we... What did I do? Anyways, are we good? There we go. Getting everything up and running. Ta-da! Okay. How's everybody doing? Are we all just doing absolutely amazing right now? Are we meh? How's it? How is it? Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I knew I was forgetting something. I forgot to get the multi-chat. I knew I was forgetting something. It was bugging me. Here we go. Okay. Friday didn't end that well. That's fine. Definitely down more. Because I may or may not have said screw it on Friday. Which is not always the best thing. But, you know, if it had been a win, I guess I would have been sitting happy right now. That's fine. But now we move on to the next. And the next, sweet and simply, is going to be, let's see, well, let's mark out everything we have to mark out. Okay, I see Asia has not moved that much. So that would have been a loss over here before it went up. Wow, rude. Oh my gosh. Sorry, just what I'm looking at here. Okay, so no, not that one. This would have ended up being a loss if I had taken that. So that's then cool. This here would have been a nice trade. Pity. Pity, pity, pity. Oh well, we now move on. Let's mark out all of the things we have to mark out. Let's get this party started. Let's get the show on the road. Okay. New weekly opening gap right here. And it low-key looks like that is what we are stuck in today. Yep. There we go. Here's the new weekly opening gap. Awesome sauce. Okay. New weekly right there. Where's everybody at today? Is everyone good? Good grief. Everyone's being so quiet. That's so weird. We're gonna just continue. Mark out our highs and lows. How big is this? I mean, 150 points isn't the worst for Asia session. It's not the best. It's not the worst though. Okay. Asia high, Asia low. We are, that's all-time highs, so there's no other highs to mark out. We have this level here, which is an important level. Stop that. So just marking out all of the sell side liquidity. What's up, David? OTT, what's up? And Trish, still in the UK, wake up with some coffee. I have some tea ready for me. I also have that feeling of I need to wake up, but it's just not gonna happen. Let us have a quick look. Like I said, we've marked out everything we wanted to mark out. All of that's been marked, all of that's been marked, all of that's been marked. This one I don't need anymore. Okay, oh, that's what I need to quickly mark out. Midnight. And then do a top to bottom analysis, and then we're ready for this day. Oh, that was close. There we go. Whee! Okay. Midnight Magneto. I've been binge watching the X-Men. It's okay. They got so many things wrong that it actually makes me angry, but it's fine. It's okay. Gim, what's up? Why do you have my YouTube? Hey Rolf, how you doing today? Just scream somehow. It's like a trade Friday PM session. It was a loss. Oh no! So I didn't touch grass this weekend. Not enough. I don't think. Like I didn't. It felt so busy, and it was okay in South Africa. Sunday was Mother's Day. OTT. Did you do anything special for your mumsies? Yes, I just called your mum your mumsies. Oh no! That sucks. That sucks. Hey, Demonte, how you doing? How's everyone doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
OTT, why can't you believe he uses Crunchyroll? I use Crunchyroll. What do you use, OTT? Now I have questions. What are you using? Okay, wait. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. Then we're good to go. Daily. I feel like I already know what this is gonna look like. Yep, there we go. Just there we go. Watch Rent a Girlfriend. Oh! OTT, do you know what's awesome? I've actually watched that. Don't ask what I use. My bad. Oh, flip, man. You guys are starting your rubbish so early on a Monday morning. You know what? Maybe I need to have a sip. I need to get myself more coffee if I'm gonna have to be dealing with you guys. I'm gonna sip my tea though. I am gonna have to get myself more coffee to deal with you guys. Wow. Wow. Okay. So daily, I mean, what do you want me to say? We're at all-time highs. Yeah. We're at all-time highs. Trend is friend until it's not. That's where we are at. That is literally it. There's just imbalance after imbalance after imbalance to the sell side, but trend is friend until it's not. That's literally all that there is to it. Let that life down. You know what? I'm gonna just keep going with Aunt. We just went out for dinner, then came home, and I've been playing non-stop and unhealthy enough. Nice. Nice, nice. That sounds like a good old time. Hour, could maybe want to retest back into here. This, oh yeah, Asia session is kind of going sideways, isn't it? Why? Why is it going so sideways today? I expected something a little bit better. I really expected something better. Could this low-key be bull flagging on the 1 hour? Kinda looks like it, doesn't it? A little bit of bull flag there. Now we go. $15-minute. 5-minute. Yeah. I'm just been trying to believe you should wake up ready to go to gym, don't profitability. And you get me, I go to the gym, but beside that, I'm cooked. You go to the gym? Really? To be fair, OTT, I didn't even know if you went to the gym. Oh, thank heavens. Oh dear. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Life sound. The flag idea is definitely valid, but those 1 hour wicks are looking pretty rejecty. True. After such a bullish movement on Friday, consolidation or pullback is expected. The flag idea. Someone put Maya in it. How dare she? Manolo, then why are you here? Oh, Perry, careful. Sorry, Perry just like booped his nose on the monitor. You have 4 left. You have to enjoy them sparingly. Okay. This was the 5-minute. Got rejected off of this bearish fair value gap. See what we get. Okay. Minito. 1 minute. Let's do this. 1 minute shot. Let's get this party started. Let's get it started and ha. Hey Debbie, what the? Why is the moon moody? It's going through a phase. Wow. Maya thinks I'm Look at my bad. I'm going to gym. Not a lot of people enjoy going to gym. I'm just saying. Gotta do the marshmallow test. What's the marshmallow test, Live Sound? Man, my typing skills are failing me this morning. Izzle, not Izzle. Live Sound, you're doing great. You're doing great. How was your weekend? Where... Was it only Mother's Day in South Africa on Sunday? Or Live Sound, was it Mother's Day there as well on Sunday? I know, I think it's a little bit different all over. Ayo, Lance, how you doing? Do you know the psychology of traders in a consolidation phase? Not really, Rolf. Please enlighten me, because that would help amazingly. Literally, because I hate the consolidation phase, but unfortunately, majority of market is consolidation before, the momentum. So go, Rolf, what is the psychology? Hey, Boom, what's up? Gym is fun though, hopefully I'll run into Asian growth more than a bump. Like a romance movie. You know what, OTT? That sounds like the best little well, hopefully not a rom-com. Maybe a rom-com. Sounds like the best little romance ever. I will will it into existence for you. Oh, wait. Okay, bye, Boom. There's your homework assignment. Oh, I thought you were gonna tell me, Rolf. Oh, okay. They put 1 marshmallow in front of a kid, tell them that they can have more marshmallows than 5, but only if they don't eat the first one. Oh, so the whole thing of instant gratification. That whole, I don't want to say experiment, because that sounds bad. Test? It was a bit of a test, hey. Yeah. I can guarantee you that he'll eat it. I can guarantee he will. He's a cheeky little bugger. What's up, Louie? How you doing? Thank you. Maybe one day, only reason I keep going to the gym. Was another day in UK yesterday. Or at least I hope it wasn't, because neither my wife. Yeah, so it was Mother's Day in South Africa. That's actually a good question. Let's see. When is Mother's Day in the UK? Yeah. Okay. So you missed it. I think. Did you celebrate Mother's Day earlier? Live Sound? Because apparently Mother's Day in the UK was the 15th of March. David was here. Where'd David go? Good. Okay, so it was Mother's Day in the US. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so you already celebrated it. Okay, so nothing special there. Oh, I have not been focusing at all. Okay, let's see what we get. So... yes, it's kind of moving. Not great, though. Oh, well... Brother Bean! Cheers! There we go. Yeah, I'll work on journaling. We'll be testing maybe during New York today. So you sold at 324. Good rejection off of midnight and opening and VWAP. That's actually quite a nice trade, but keeps retesting this level. Retesting, so it rejected off of the 50%, went down, and then bounced back off of the new weekly opening gap. I think can't remember Easter, never mind March, that's valid. Let you check it during pre-New York Open too if you can. What's up, Reggie Can Trade? How are you doing? How's it going? Anyone just hopping on? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yeah, how was everyone's weekend? Did anyone do anything special? Right? TP at 297. Louis, so far this looks pretty good actually. Whoopsies. Okay. See if it comes back one last time. Or not. These wicks aren't ideal right now. Except the wicks aren't ideal right now. I might want to retest one last time. Let's see. Reggie, you feel sleepy? I hear you. Yeah, I think I should make the journal. Pay 2 options, monthly and lifetime purchase with a free trial. I'll make it only for a few people to use. So you're getting 40 bucks, egg roll without some delicious chicken, visited mom and cleaned her windows. Nice. Nice. Skeletal. Louis, did you try the bri or not yet? Have you not given the bri a try just yet? Okay, so ES looks like it might want to be coming down to VWAP. Let's keep an eye here. Decent rejection. If I'm not mistaken, I actually have a sell order like so. Sure, 2 points is large today with no movement. Good grief. Okay. I do have this set up though. Let's see if it tags in. Going. Have it set up on Ninja. So let's see if it goes back up into there or not. said, this might potentially want to come and wick out. Yeah. All I have on this one is a feeling, but I don't have an A+ setup at all. There we go, order filled. Let's check it on the 15 second. Oh dear. Forgot to put the correct thing up. Dagnabbit, I'm just gonna have to watch when it reaches around $100. I'm just gonna have to manually close it. Let's see. Down to 25. Well, a little bit more of a rejection coming off of there. I could even potentially just leave this. Okay, so we're still at 0. Zoom in a little bit more here. Okay, let's watch this thing. Really, really good. Because I can make it free, but geez, I don't want too many people using it. I know paid things people don't go for. The copy with props will be free though. The 6 conceals. Bob. What's up, Samuel? Demont, I did increase and then I had a loss. Oh dear. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that went way too far up. Technically, I should close that. Okay. So that was then a loss. Ignore the extra 50 there. That was me messing around before stream. Okay, let's put the correct. There we go. Now it'll be better. Okay, so that was a little loss to start off. Shoot, it actually shouldn't have been. Okay, let's see what this looks like here. Let me see what's happening on here. See, this is why I have to sort out some of the oopsies. Okay, this was the proper trade. I just completely botched it, but this is actually the proper trade if I'm not mistaken. That was actually 2 contracts that went into that one. That's why it was a bit of a oopsies. Lazy boy, what's up? The ideal situation is provide support and sell resistance. Are you speaking specifically ranging, right, Rolf? Or are you just saying like in general? Is that how you trade? These WikiWiks aren't great right now. Ooh, that looks like it's going up, but is it going to reject off of the 50% here? Or is it just going to keep on up? There we go. Oh, shoot. This was actually the trade that it should have been on ES. So let's see if it works out if I had placed it correctly, not like a complete chop. Lazy boy toxic, another day in the market. I see always. Always. If there is one thing I am, it is consistent. Irritating, yes, but consistent. A bit of breaks outside the range, then comes back inside the range. That'll be better because trades will be dropped. That's really how you apply your strategy to your hand. Lazy boy, what do you mean? Like to what's in front of you? Is that what you're kind of saying? You snap, I took my stop loss out and it paid. Oh, nice. Okay. There we go, Louis. Nice little way to start a Monday, right? That's a good, a little crisp whoop whoop. There we go. Nice little TP for Livy. Anyone else? Anyone else has anyone taken a trade? I sound a little bit like an auctioneer right now. Did anyone else take a trade? Are we happy? Are we sad? How's it going? Hey, trade addict, how you doing? Make some of it free, but full use paid for. My bots ain't going to be free if people want them. You started an hour ago just scalping the... Oh, it's new, stop loss. Oh no, I'm sorry. Were you in a buy, addict? 3 scalps on NQ up 365, nice. So let's quickly check this one. Oh, this would have missed me. Pity. Okay, so that wouldn't have even retested. Far enough up. I would have still been in this ES trade, by the way. Still in it. Let's focus a little bit on NQ for a second, but I see... Yeah, on the 15 second, if I'd marked it out correctly, I would still have been in that trade. Nice, about 800. Any good futures brokers? Ninja traders, well, it depends. Are you new? What's up? I'm Grumpy. How you doing? Are you new to trading or not really? In a sell on MES in a minute, I decided to half my risk this week to deal with my psych, so we'll see. Oh, nice. There we go. Okay, we've broken below the new weekly opening gap. So that was a solid rejection off of VWAP midnight and opening price range. Let's see if we now get the continuation back down or not. Asia low is just below there. We have started with a little bit of a bear run. A little bit of retracement isn't bad. I'm trying to decide with this one. These wicks aren't bad. It's right by the new weekly opening gap. Use Trader for Man to get the discounts with the Maya code. Thanks, Louis. Used to trade in college, just getting back into it. I'm currently just Forex right now. Okay, so you're wanting to do Forex as well. Interesting. Wait. But the futures, yeah, like you have a few. Tradeify now is a once-off payment. So if you just want to do a once-off payment, then Tradeify is a goodie. But if you are then used to trading, I guess Ninja Trader is a little bit, I don't want to say better, but more advanced, maybe is the word. If you're new, I would say Tradeify because it's pretty simple and basic and it's really easy. Since everyone is thinking sells, I'm gonna just open up a buy position. Do it, Rolf. Let's see how that works. Genuinely curious. I would still be in that ES trade, by the way. Hello! You've had a sweetie already. Totally got a trade. You do USD, it's a bull run. No alive. Hello. Hello. Sweetie pie. Sorry, my dog is here. Giving all the cuddles. Okay, so ES is literally going sideways. You're messing with things. Yeah, everyone can see you messing with things right now. Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh. Come here. Come here. He's on a mission. I know what the mission is. There's only gonna be 2 left after this, bud. Shall we see how long he'll wait? Oh, he's like... He's locked in right now. You made $50. Top step to copy 5 accounts. Oh my, right now I should switch to top step. Got a milk plan. Everyone had a good weekend. What's up, Kujen? How you doing? How have you been? How badly do you want it? Yeah, you like me when I really want to trade. Okay, break. Yeah, break. Break. Oh. Good boy. Expect him to hop on. He was so delicate about it. You're such a good boy. Oh my gosh. You're so funny. You are so freaking funny. Okay. Anyways, I mean, you gooped up the place a little bit, but that's okay. Good boy. No, that's all. Yeah. Okay. Should I keep chopping around? Oil crept up in that. Was back up to 100 barrel again. Okay, ES still going sideways. By the way, I would still be in that trade. No. No, I would have been taken out for 50%. I would have mitigated just by half there. Okay, so this one would have been at least a $50 loss. Let me move this. At least a $50 loss, that's fine. Do 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 do. Hey, RSLEG, what's up? You switch to prop, get a full port this. Do you have open 5 different broking apps? And top step just sinks them all. Wet wipes for Perry, honestly. Honestly, but that was cute as heck. I was not expecting him to be so delicate about it either. And now he's happy and sleeping. Okay. Guys, life is rough for a freeloader here. What's up, old lamb?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Oh, it's somebody's barking it now. Trade addict, were you taken out or not? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, gap down. Didn't have nice big gap down. But they're easy to pass. I'm switching to Trader Buy on Wednesday. Aw. Okay, break even now. Let's see if I'm gonna get to TP1. Wait, OTT, you're in a trade? Did you take it long? So that would have been a loss, BT dubs, for this, which is not then looking great for me right now. Let me check this out quickly. Would this have even... Oh! Damn, look at that. That would have been a goodie. Let's pull retracement back up into there. What a shame. This is now going all the way back up. Like I said, ES is going sideways. I can't even... Let's check out the 15 seconds. CISD entry. I was about to ask OTT if it was that one. So proper counts. Yes, I'm grumpy. I use proper counts. So Rolf, how's your buy going? Did Rolf actually take it? Interest 3:16 AM candle high. Let me have a look at that now. Just having a quick look here. Live sound, are you still in the trade? Why is Monday being so slow? Well, I guess Mondays are sometimes slow. That's why people sometimes don't like trading Mondays. I have no issues with trading Mondays or Fridays. I know some people refuse to. I know a lot of people that refuse to trade Wednesdays now. Took a setups that work great in a trend not to lose their power in a channel. Oh yeah, no, 100%. That's why I tend to not trade when it's going sideways. Because my strategy doesn't work. I'm very happy to admit that. It's why I started looking at the 15-second, seeing if I can implement a different one for sideways or accumulation or consolidation, whatever you want to call them. Range, you know, pick a name, pick whatever name you want to. It just doesn't work. My strategy doesn't work for those days, but unfortunately I think what 70% of the time it is in an accumulation range, blah, 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 whatever you want to call it, stage. Which doesn't help me, does it? Wow, I just checked my trade, price touched my stop loss and didn't take me out. Trade Addict, did you just get slippage that actually went in your favor? That's like unheard of. Entry too nasty, straight up wicked in. Okay, let me quickly... Ooh. We're ranging. So... I'm gonna try to sell one more time. Again, this is still just demo, so meh. I feel like maybe trying sells is not the way to go, but let's see. Let's see what we get. Let's go back, check this out. I want to see OTT's trade. That just straight up wicked him in. So you said at 3:16. Oh damn. Order filled. This is not gonna go well. I'm wanting it to go and take out the lows. Time of the weekend back to staying in, playing with things. Wait, there we go. I've missed some things. Of course, it edges my TP1 reverses. I was aiming for Asia low before we get a bull move in New York. Live sound, I'm not gonna lie, I was also kind of keen and looking at that for Asia low to be taken and then Asia high. Is 500 a good amount to start a live small futures account? Sorry, I don't trade a live account, so let's ask the group, guys. Is $500 a good amount to start a live small futures account? Spent quite a bit of time over the weekend back testing and playing with things. And Lifestyle, what did you find? You can use the same tool, the GAN box will work in the channel too. Would it? What, just different entries and exits? Or just different entries and stop losses? Right? Is that what you're thinking, Rob? Going to stay in the 5 minute and have reduced risk was totally tilting last week. Was frustrated with myself because I think I was actually only down. Oh, that's not bad, Life Sound. I think, yeah, maybe in your head, maybe the pressure did just get you and you're like, I'm down. But you weren't down that bad. What's up, Boom? Welcome back. No, don't recommend. OTT, why is that? Where is Solly? I don't know. Where is Solly? That's a good question. Trade Addict says no, better go prop. Yes, you just have to be very careful and trade in the direction of impulse moves only. 500 bucks is more than enough. You can, but it's going to be mega slow with 500. Use a bit of that on props personally. Yeah. Okay, it's nice to hear a bunch of you guys that are way more experienced agree with me with regards to rather start with a prop and go from there. Just, you know, protect your capital. Protect your capital. Why wouldn't you? You'd need some serious leverage with that $500. I mean, you can trade it, yes, but it's too little. Just go props. Just put the GAN box on the whole channel and buy from the bottom and sell from the top. Oh, so literally, literally just as it wicks up, they'll buy. Let's test it a little bit on this. This might take a while now. Just saying. This might take a while. Sorry, I do have hiccups. Okay, so hit the 50%. So mitigate risk by half. See if maybe that was a mistake to do, because it still could reject off of a certain point. Oh my gosh. There we go. That was a nice one. Whoop whoop. Okay, that was a cool little trade on ES. Now it has taken out the lows. Well, let's rephrase that. It's in line with the lows. So are we gonna get a rejection off of it? Don't know what that is for. See if it's actually gonna cross it first. Yeah, 500 is good for your first blow. If you have a decent strategy that's providing results, use that 500 to get yourself set up with a prop. Yeah, I wouldn't trade 500 bucks live if I was a beginner. Minimum should be 2k plus. You might get it break even. Test it in paper. Realistically, you need 10k to go live. So I got a paper account on TradingView and full test futures today in the futures markets. At New York Open, yeah. Easy TP snap, but that's the most important lesson you need to learn as a trader. See how you handle the loss, make sure the 500 isn't for waste. 2 TPs into live send, yes, you know it's profitable that you can execute your strategy, you're good. But at 500 on live, without that, you're blowing that account easy. I want to test the... Part of me, I want to test the range, but another part of me is like, do I do it? Do I not do it? Do I wait a little bit? If theoretically, if I had bought there, they're gonna go up 2 points. And if I sell here, will it reject? Let's see. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna just do... I'm gonna mark both of these out. For a buy and a sell. Okay, let's go back here. Damn, break even hit. Trading is scam, I'm quitting. No, you're not. We both know you're lying. Why are you always lying? Also, I can't believe it edged you like that. That's rude. Sunny! What's up? How you doing? How's it going? Hey, I thought it might want to re-tap into there, if you will. Maybe a weird thing to say, but if I hadn't have gone break even, yeah, this thing would still be going. Wild. Solly, are you trading live again today or not? What's the plan with today? I think we are a little bit in a slow grind down. Oh, so slow. We try this one again. Screw it. And set this trade up. Points. 2 points. We set it up quickly on. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it taps into it or not. Oh, order filled. Okay, it's in. It's in. We can actually literally watch it playing out here. Now looks like the lows are here. First day back, baby. Oh, flip. Bounty on my head. Have I taken a payout? No, I have not taken a payout. No. Not afraid to admit that. I wanted to trade Asia, but I was still Solly celebrity. Phil is making money because the market wanted to take me out. Like I said, I actually am in this. Why is this your second trade today? Kind of. Again, mostly just on the demo. I do want to get myself an account and start trading this 15-second though. OTT, I bought 2 emails, one going to the moon, one going to the grave. I'm watching the Delta and trade easy scalping during low volume. Hi Chris, no, I actually trade London and New York. I'm here twice times a day. Well, depending where you're at, maybe. Yeah, no, twice a day, regardless of where you are. London and New York open. I am here. Like I said, we are in this little tradey trade right now. Whoopsie daisies. Let's see if we get the rejection. This could now want to be going back up to the high. ES is kind of doing that. I'm gonna actually leave this one completely alone. I'm not gonna move to break even or anything. I'm gonna leave this one completely alone and see what we get. If it's gonna come take out the high and then drop down, or we're gonna slowly start coiling, because this is kind of maybe not. Hectic support level over here though, where I've marked out this line. Check out, it's rejected off of it 3 times now. Yeah, it's rejected solidly off of it 3 times. You're from the UK as well. Oh, so Chris, I'm actually not from the UK. I am from South Africa. How are you doing? Have I seen the show called Cheers from the 80s? No, what's that? What's up, Hammer? How you doing? Uh-oh. Yeah. Chris, are you from the UK? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I am South African. We have fun here in SA. We have a good old dandy time. Okay, like I said, still gonna sit and watch. The 15-second when or during London is not the best time to trade. But we're doing it anyways. Don't listen to her, Chris. She's definitely Irish. I wanted to try and do an Irish accent, but I can guarantee that I would mess it up just because in my brain I'm saying, do an Irish accent. I am so bad. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. What's this looking like? What just happened? Did we finally wake up? Oh my gosh, we've woken up. Somewhere, someone has woken up. What's it looking like? Holy guacamole. Look at that wick. What in the wiki world is going on? Oh, I've still rejected. That was just a wick through. Okay. What the hell is that? Wiki just got taken out. Yo, no, that was insane. Ugh, can't stand this. Oh, what's up, J-Ray? I hear you. So, OTT, out of curiosity, did you do the back testing if you didn't move to break even? Like, if you wait until TP1 is taken and then move break even, did you back test what your win rate would be? Oh, never mind. If you haven't seen it, you won't get what I was gonna say. Anyway, the buy was well received, and we watched the vid we watched. Gorilla was a good guy. Aw, that is awesome, Louis. So did you invite, like, you had a bunch of friends and things over? What did they say about it? What did they think? Were they just like, this is average? Or were they like, this is amazing? Next up is Biltong. So grab low should be going for the range high. I don't got the patience to hold my lungs in this nonsense. I really expected this to want to be headed for Asia low. Maybe I'm wrong. Why are we ranging today? Is there like important news happening later this week? Is this why we are going sideways right now? I like it. Weird beers with the two. Oh, nice. Okay, let's ask this, Louis. Liked it enough to do it again, or it was just, yeah, it was okay. Does that make sense? Now I watch it go to the high and kick myself, then wait 2 hours for it to repeat. The first part of channel psychology, sellers will let price move beyond the range before they sell into it, and that forms a large wick. Okay. I'm thinking to double my position now. This would low-key be worse because I don't move break even at a certain amount of how much price moved. It's levels, and I would expect to reverse. Like right now, my partial was at 15. The break even was daily here. Oh, okay. Sorry, responding to OTT's rationale. Hey Hammer, what's up? How was your weekend? Come on, New York session already? No, she's in the bed right now. Hey, sharpening, what's up, Yam? Should gonna do it again. I have 6 gun seasoning. price consolidates for several reasons. One of them is for you to open a position. But if there's no level, I'm expecting price to reverse from... I don't even partial, I just move to break even when I feel like it. I guess it's experience. That's true. I refuse to short this market, it's not worth possible 10 points. If this breaks above here, I will have a little looky-see at hopping on along. Like if it breaks above here, like that type of situation. It made it to there, get a reversal. Even that, even if it was a little bit lower. Let's see what we get. One thing about that wick is it does feel like confirmation we want to head down. Like it was just a liquidity grab and now we go back down. Was good, had a bra, noise hammer. What did you do for Mother's Day? Second lesson, how many traders do you think bought that false breakout and what will those traders do whenever price comes back up? Well, potentially add more. Don't do it, you'll be late to the move, you might get 10 points at the time. To be fair, I mean... yeah, I guess it would be a little bit larger than 10 points. Yeah, there'll be like a 12-point situation. Still rejecting off the damn VWAP. I was long 3 or 4 and got out after 16 points. Bitcoin is about to hit for 30k soon. I don't do Mother's Day or birthdays or any of those things. Oh! Interesting. Why? Just not your thing. Yeah, it feels like it should have had my stop loss above the last 5-minute sweep before the break, and we'll see. Need another... So... need another 5-minute break of structure now, and then hopefully a retracement before I enter again. Don't mind. You don't mind then, do you? I got back from the Palm Springs after the show and immediately started brying. Hate it. Oh. Okay. Damn. Hate this. Yeah. Interesting. I think I'll play the trade a small loss or break even, but it's not on. Anyways. I was all bragging. This is how South Africans do barbecue. It's been a May session for me since Asia. Best of luck to all. I need the New York volume. I hear that. Minimally, what's up? Oh, you didn't trade for a week. To be fair, you didn't miss that much last week. I think Friday was a decent day. If I'm not mistaken, that was it. Friday was decent. The rest of the days were meh. I say that I actually had losses on Friday, but there was actually decent price action on Friday. Your friend Jenny even spitting on you. What was it? Because of the bri? Does it have just something about it? Ooh, what's a bri? Life sound. It's basically, literally, how would you describe it? It's just like a South African barbecue. Right? Good enough to get Louis numbers. I thought it's a barbecue, but with real fire. There we go. I just saw NQ didn't want to stop pumping. No, it's still going up. It's just going up really slowly. I think that's just the... I'm gonna say frustrating. I don't know if frustrating is the right word. It's just a thing. It would kind of go sideways and then shoot, and then sideways and then shoot. Nice, I could get on board with the Bri. Yeah. I just saw there'll be a news event every day of this week. Okay. Okay, that gave me like an instant headache when I read that hammer. I was like, no! No wonder, this makes a lot of sense. This then makes a lot of sense. And then, yeah, pretty much all pre-market. What's up, Lucky? How you doing? How was your weekend? Did you do anything special? Or not really? $352. It has been an hour. And we have moved like 35 points in an hour. Not really a lot, is it? It's giving me a little bit of AMD vibes right now. Accumulation, a little bit of manipulation. This week is going to be epic for macro traders. Imagine, I guess she thought it was cool. I was doing stuff from other countries, but it was tasty. So I don't know. Always been scared. But it was nice she did it. There we go, Louie. Look at you go, bud. In math at 21. Oh gosh. Yeah, we got CPI tomorrow at 8:30 EST. VI Wednesday at 8:30 EST. Retail MM Thursday at 8:30 EST. See, that makes me a little bit sad. That no wonder. No wonder. Then it makes sense. I mean, it's irritating still, don't get me wrong, but it makes sense. Okay, a little bit of a wick out there. Let's see it. Interesting week when the news isn't. May 15th, I was getting the book. You really think so, Shopping? Yeah, definitely. Interesting week with news, isn't it? Yep, I'm good. My weekend was pink and purple, but what do you mean your weekend was pink and purple? Wait, what do you mean pink? What does that mean, Life Sound? No, not Life Sound. Lucky. The L's. Both of the L's. Confused my brain. Okay, so his term ends. That's cool. I am actually in a little buy. And this could either go really well or really badly. Again, still just on the demo. I don't want to sit and start risking unnecessary things just yet. Let me consult my crystal. Go on then. So I think it's absolutely wild. I'm convinced that I live in Narnia, because everywhere in South Africa it's been raining and cold and like almost flooding. You know, it was like 30 degrees here over the weekend. It was windy, I'll give it that. It was windy and like the wind had a little bit of a chill to it, but it was 30 degrees here. And we have not had any rain. No, I lie. Okay, let's rephrase this. No rainstorms, no flooding, no nothing like that at all. It's just kind of been hot, and now and then maybe at night it'll rain for a couple of minutes and that's it. So I'm just like, was I actually warm in the 30s? I was. Yes, I was. I was wearing a short sleeve shirt. So yes, I was warm. What's up, Silent Hustle? How you doing? I'm celebrating mothers and love in household. Dominated by women. Oh, nice, lucky. Freezing, but the sun is out now. No one here in Africa do have lions though. The lion could be walking around somewhere. Oh, Louis, that was good. That was actually pretty good. I'll give you that. That's actually very valid. Live sound, that's gotta be worth a whoop. You know that in the futures it takes an average of 30 minutes to an hour for price to meet higher time frame traders. Isn't that why the hourly candle is so important, Rolf? The side was cold and hot at the same time. You felt the cold more than the hot. Eh. What's up, Abdul? How you doing? I'm still waiting for time. Just time. Hey, no, just not what you said. Good. You look so adorable. I want to answer me open a Christmas present. Oh, thank you. This is so slow. What does this look like here? Okay. Wow. Just wow. I am sick and tired of ranges. I really, really am. Absolutely sick and tired of ranges, but I see it's going down more on NQ. So the sellers have come to play. I just think that was a good flip the pry.
Nice.
Oh, flip. Live sound. Anyways. So guys, what's up? I'm just here. Watching this go sideways. That out now. Maybe we could start pushing up again. It's like we're potentially going to start getting a little bit more of a push here. There we go. Let's see if it rejects off a VWAP or not. Still in on this trade. Hey, it's about to be TP. Awesome. So target was filled here. I just didn't switch quick enough, but you can see I'm back down to just $50. So that was a nice little trade on ES. Now, are we going to reject off of taking the high? That is the next question. Potentially. A little bit of rejection, maybe come take out the lows and then go back up. But that was a nice little win. Let's give it a second to still decide where it wants to head. Will I? Yeah, screw it. Let's put another little buy here. This one's a little bit more risky. Yeah, this one's a tad bit more on the risky side of life. But we're gonna go with it and see what happens. Hey, Dom, what's up? Just chilling, but I'm running out of tea. I hear that. Yeah, speaking of tea, I should make some coffee. My tea is now getting cold, which makes me sad. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, back here we go. Let's see if that tags in. Oh, look at that wiki wick. Oh dear. So I'm just looking at it going, wow, it solidly actually hit that resistance level. Well, order was filled on ES. So let's see. A little bit of a rejection back up. We are in this thing. But that was quite a solid drop, quicker movement than what I thought we would actually get. Well, for how the movement's been going right now recently, let's rather say that. I was taking one else is all saying down, but we have this big weekly opening gap we're in the middle of, so someone's gotta win. What's up, Cosmic? How you doing? Me, what's my favorite brand of coffee? Do I have a favorite brand of coffee? Ooh, I'm not really a fussy person, which I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but like I'll drink. Oh, I think this one might be a little loss, but see, I'm gonna stay hands off for now. I had a little bit of a rejection, but not nearly a big enough one that I wanted to see. So, favorite coffee. I mean, like, I drink Nescafe and stuff like that. I don't really have fancy stuff. Add some ice cubes and make it iced tea so you won't be sad anymore. No, but it's cold. I want warm. Warmth. Good. Gonna pick up a coffee that's darker than your soul. So I think her soul might be bright. I mean, she does do better. No, my soul's dark as heck. Anyways. Darker than my sense of humor. What? Do you know what I said to someone once? I was drinking like black coffee. And they're like, is that black coffee? I'm like, yeah, brighter than my future. They didn't think I was funny. Anyways, I thought I was funny. My bad. So Dom is in a short listening to Sandy Daddy a lot this weekend. Live sound, same. I'm not gonna lie, it was stuck in my head. I was dancing around to it because it's just a jam. It's really actually just a jam. I even told my friend about it. She was like, this is both the best and worst song I've ever heard. I was like, yep, it's good and it's catchy and it's gonna be stuck in your head forever. You are welcome. That was funny. I need ES to move outside of my GAN box. Oh, are you using a GAN box now as well, Rolf? Out of curiosity. I have to go to person with the brights. What's saying my soul dark there? Ah, hackers. Oh no, don't do that. Okay, here we go. I'm putting a tiny bit in profit because it did go 75. Normally 75 I'll go break even. 85 she did go to. I will take a little bit of a impartial as I can. Awesome, there's a little winner chicken dinner. Okay. Buyers are back in play on ES right now. Though, like you said, Live Sound, technical analysis makes it look like the sells should be in play, right? But right now on the 15-second, it's going for it, literally. Here we go. Gonna place another one. This is quite a decent one, actually. Let's see what this does. See if it's gonna tag me in or not. That was quite a big wick. This could... Sorry, that's the overthinking coming into play. He's laughing, doesn't he? This humor mental issues, but he knows what's funny. Sadie Daddy owes a song. You should listen to it, Louis. It's awesome. Okay, we're in this thing. So let's see. Oh, that was a big drop. Oh dear. Anyways. Hey, Tando, what's up? How you doing? How's NQ looking? I haven't even bothered looking. I'm enjoying the 15-second right now. I'm using it again. It's not something I see people use often, so that's why I decided to stick around. Oh, nice, interesting. I actually quite like the. I like the GAN. Like I said, it got me my funded account. I can't fault it. I can fault myself though, because I do dumb things. But I guess like with any strategy, nothing wrong with the strategy. Any strategy can be a winning strategy if you know the correct places to execute. Oh, Lifetime! I didn't actually even listen to any of his others. I'm gonna have to now listen to some of his other songs. Ah, shoot. Okay. Hey, don't be greedy. So, a nice little win followed by a loss. Let's see what happens next. Description. Attention here, this is failed auction. It broke out and came back in. Okay. Let me check out here. Oh, okay, we're moving. Damn, good call, Dom. Ooh. Shoot. Okay, it took out the low now, but it's technically an A+ setup for me. Just don't know if it's gonna come back to get me in. What happened? 4 AM was there, messed around a little bit. Oh, came to take out the lows. It's A+, so I'm gonna place it. Stop that. Did take out the lows though, so this could go back up again, but 1, 2, 3. I do have my 3. Nice little win. Is that what you're looking for? 541 rotation should be sure. Definitely should. Congress OTT should probably listen to leave her alone. Hey, nice, Louis. Aw. Okay, you're ranging out of A+ setup territory. I hope you know that. Grab the lows. This is not a nice little wick over here, but okay. Come on, Asia low. Okay, let's see. up, Juicing? How you doing? Surely I'm out now. I have to join my losses. Guess wants me to get long again. If 7, 4, and 2 breaks will likely shoot back up. Oh, 410. Sorry, over here. Well, did break. Oh no. Didn't break. Not properly anyways. Thank you, easy money. Nice, J-Ray. You're a happy chappy now. I think it might want to go even lower. Oh no, I still think this wants to tap into VWAP on ES. Mother flipper. You guys know my rules. I chase it until it reaches the bob level. Now that we have some oomph. Now that we have some movement coming back into this baby. Oh man, I'm gonna love price action this week. But it's 256 I'm buying. What about Asia low at 250? Time for amateurs to probably sit on the sidelines. Okay, mitigate by half. Went to 62%. Come on. Back to 50. Project a little bit more. Oh, maybe not. I want to see a bit more of a solid rejection. Okay, a bit of a deciding point here. Not gonna lie, it's making me low-key a little bit nervous for my trade right now. Okay, so this is ES. Let's see what it does here. It did mitigate. Cool, so I'm just down $100. Oh, it projected off of the support zone again. Literally keeps retesting this 410. Is that why you said after it reaches 410 it might do that? Damn, ES is more volatile than NQ today. That does not happen that often, but here we are. NQ, the sellers are still in the party. I put my stop loss below 250. This one is a little bit risky because this could want to come up. Retest back into there. It does, it does. Finally broken out below there. That's not bad. Okay. Quick swell 5 left long, could fall the bounce. I'm playing the bounce of the turn. Hadn't spent much time below at the last week trading. Hey, Louis, not always. that's not good. Hmm. 3 times the drops. This does have a probability of taking me out, but let's leave it alone. This is probably very risky. Look at the volume. But I'm a stick to it. If it goes into profit, I'm gonna go break even really quickly though. Just putting that out there. Volumes, I'm pretty YouTube Jackson the parrot and use him for victory dances. Wonder if there's a meme of him. Hey Kujin, if there's a meme of him, sure. Why not? Want to see at least come take out this low. Okay, it's trying to break out again, but not much momentum. Let's see, like I said, technically this one was a little bit cheeky. So if it does hit my stop loss, I won't be surprised. This was a B setup, but it just... I don't know. There's something about it. I just liked it. Should have maybe cancelled it because it was a B and not an A plus setup, but we're in this thing now. Said I'd at least want to see it come and take out these the wickless. You know me, I keep calling them the wickless. Let's see, but yeah, we're in this thing. We're in this thing. Say movement coming. Part of me just wants to go and check out the ES 15 second. But I started losing her patience. What do you mean? Just come back down in Q second and back into it. I don't even know if it's so much to do with the patience, just... yeah. These wiki wicks. Like I said, this might wick me out. If it does, it is what it is. We're looking at your left side because it looks like you're looking at your right side. Yeah, that mirror effect is weird as heck. It might be very uncomfortable if you saw me then from the other side. It's gonna engulf on 1,000 ticks at 15M at this rate. So you tap the top on ES. Like to see a retracement on ES now. Okay. Back. When you're taking the trade, we'll try to find a code. You just get a percentage, Debbie. That's about it. Oh no, now the sellers are coming back on NQ. Oh, cheers, Jerry. Enjoy. Is this? No. Boss says, is this creating a double top on ES? Might break above it now, let's see. Oh well. Having a luck on MES. What's up, Lukey? How you doing? That's the right side on face. Nice, it looks like it does. I think it's weird that people have like a favorite side of their I have a favorite side as well, so I mean, I'm not one to talk, but I just think it's like weird. How do you have a favorite side? It makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. But it makes sense. It's irritating. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, we're in this thing. Let's see, either this is gonna come and take me out real quick, or this is gonna move real fast to the sell side. Do 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 do. It's a decent doji. Still a bullish one. Okay. Well, ES took out the high, but now is it going to retrace, or is it just going to keep pumping? Uh-oh. Let's see, that high was taken on ES. This is like a very slow, painful death. Well, it's not really painful. A very slow death. Doing good, same old, smaller position sizes, introducing discretion, a million bit profit, SMC on MQ. Oh, that sounds interesting though, Lukey. How's it going? If it comes back to 7415 and rejects, that would be a great on ES. Dumb. Kiss of the dead. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see. Getting to do this eval completely. Go Hawk and help in placing. That is awesome, Debbie. So does Jay actually want to do trading, or not really? You ever think of using Thinkorswim for futures? Haven't really looked into it. I know a lot of people do backtesting on Thinkorswim. Days looking good. It's just long. Yes. Discipline can be a pain. Uh-oh. That's not looking promising. Let's see more of a rejection around there. Oh well. More position in the market. Well, you better get there before you slow me. Oh, we'll motivate you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I think I saw this killer if you got Charles. Louis, why do you say that? Okay. Like I said, ES still looks like it wants to push, but NQ is fighting it a little bit. Thinkorswim is your favorite. Sharpening, how long have you been using it for? And what did you use before it? If you don't mind me asking, so I'm coming at you with a lot of questions. Okay. So you can customize it real nice. I don't know if I do much more than what I have. I know a lot of people really like to customize things, but what? Like what exactly would you like to customize? An NQ to go bear bias, I need multiple candle closes below 235 during main market hours. What do you count as main market hours, Lukey? Okay. Here I will mitigate. Here I mitigate. When it takes out the wickless, I keep calling them the wickless, I'm sorry. When it takes out this level here, I'll move to break even. I know it's a little bit early. I should theoretically only move break even a little bit later, but yeah. You see what transfer I customize for SNR, delta, and time clusters. So mitigated, so that's cool. Now, like I said, when it takes out the wickless, I know I keep calling them the wickless, there's a proper name. I would then go break even. I must say, I feel a little bit... I don't know if guilty is the right word. I feel a little bit... maybe guilty is the right word. Cheeky with regards to this trade. Just because of the fact... Go on. Close. Take it out. Not yet. There we go. Okay. I feel... tad bit... I'm gonna move it there. Guilty just because I literally said this one is low-key going on a bit of a feeling, which is bad. I shouldn't be trading off of a feeling, but here we are. He does want to get into it, especially seeing my last few weeks, but he don't want to stop. Makes me physically active in trading, just in... He wants to still work. Oh, that makes sense. I can understand that. Okay, definitely would have been break even now, regardless. Then I am actually gonna move it to there. Trailing slightly. Come on, so close. Oh, come on, so close. If the 30-minute candles closes under 7415, then range trading will continue. Bro. Don't do that to me. Oh, it took out the low, now it's retesting slightly. What's up, Mikuave? It's gonna probably take me out in some profit here. But just missed TP. $293.10 pending. Hey, Sania, Joshy, can I call you Joshy? It's so close to tapping down here. Sorry, that was M15, not M30. It's a short bias if we get multiple candlesticks close below 2. That's why I stopped trailing. I was playing on my emotions. Yeah. If I put 2 cons in, I would have left one to go to Asia low. Dumb. It has been edging recently, so not so sure. What's up, Mike the Goat? How are we doing? Yeah. Saying session click standard hours. What if EOS? Did not get the memo. Everyone playing on NQ. Louis, you took the same trade as me? Really? Where's your stop loss at though? I feel like mine's a little low right now, but yeah, it is what it is. If you win, we win. I love it. Mike the Goat. I'm trying to decide if this is me being greedy or not. It probably is me being a little bit greedy. I can't believe how close it was to TP. Hammer, for some reason it didn't work. I'm gonna have to figure out what I did wrong. I butchered Mr. Knife Man. Oh, that sounds bad. That's not what I meant. William Knife Man. I'm so dehydrated I woke up crispy. Okay, should I ask why you're dehydrated? What happened? As long as it's on break 7415. It's been wanting to. Let's see. Hey, Villain, you lost trades today. Feel like quitting? No, man. Never a loss, always a lesson, right? That is what I'm told all the time. To remind me to not be a baby. Nah, that's not true. Have you been drinking enough water lately? Be better. They're just gonna follow the high. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, last little drop down. Oh my gosh, part of me wants to close it in profit. That last 3 days. Keep waking up with a headache, rusty lips and dry out. No. Is it just the change of seasons, Mikuave? Or are you getting sick? Bit of both. Could be both. Come on, drop down. Oh, I don't like the wickless over here. Why does Maya always seem to be getting it? I don't know, OTD. I really don't know. I'm even being cheeky by following like the swing high and stuff, but I feel like it is gonna edge me. Oh, I feel like I'm too late. I wanted it to at least be 60. Come on. I want to see a little bit of a rejection off of there. Check that out. Last offer. See why I don't drink. Way too many side effects. Let me quit. I thought you were hanging. To be fair, so did I. Okay, there's a bit of a rejection. Nope, I spoke too soon. Shoot. I spoke too soon. Come on, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Perfection in trading will bring stress that could be avoided. That's fair. That's fair. It's still irritating though. They have to go Asia low. Yo, Mikuave, what is wrong with you? Why is that happening? Okay. No, tomorrow. Next time price is a tick away from TP. X out. Yep. Yep. Either way, it's in profits, right? I think I must just remind myself about that. Either way, it's in profits. The buyers are back on NQ. Because ES is dropping more, NQ's not really joining the party just yet. Come on. Oh, it is edging. I was drinking lightly over the weekend, but to be honest, I can't actually remember the last time you drank water. You know what? Maybe, just maybe, there's your problem right there, Mikuave. Just a fun thought, right? Just a fun little thought. People will be like, when trade close to TP just closed, but in the moment looks like TP is gonna hot. It's too hard to tell. A green trade is a green trade. That's true. That's true. Green is green. Yeah, bluffers. Yeah, because I've done it before. I mean, you guys have seen me do it actually on the 15-second where I was like, oh no, I think this is gonna go back up. I closed it. It then like instantly went to hit TP. straight afterwards. It instantly went to go and take out my TV. And a little bit of a partial. Probably. Took out the wickless there on ES, which I wanted to see it take. Well, not that I wanted to see it take that. I thought if it was going to take something, it would take that. No, don't go back up. Drop it like it's hot. It's getting hot in here, so hot. So drop it. No, I miss with the fact that you made cash. True. 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 And no. Quite interesting to be in right now. Okay. And no. And out. Okay. That was a little bit disrespectful, but whatever. Okay, so still in the green, right? Still a whoop whoop. Kind of, not as green as I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. Let me put that on Discord because that's rude. Okay. Oh well, that's a yeah. I'm gonna put a tick and a break even, because I would call this like partial break even, if you will. My trade. Okay. So a little bit in the green, like $20, but still. Back into 717. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. 717.70. Let's see if this actually goes all the way back up to like break even. This looks a little bit like a double bottom that happened over here. Okay, you know the rules. Let me go get butterfly book. Where is it? Okay, let me go get butterfly book. You know the deal. When we take a trade, take a minute, do butterfly of the day. That's what I just have to go find the butterfly book. Give me a second. man. Okay, so I see it would have been solid break even regardless. Not doing English, huh? What's happening? Anyways, so I guess rather a little bit of a partial then. Got, you know, better than it being a solid break even. That would have hurt my feelings a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah, it basically took me out around there. So, oh, just shy of 50%. Oh man, but it was so close. Shucks. Correct idea. It did move down nicely. It just didn't wick further down. Okay, on to the next. Are we guys ready for butterfly? What's up, Tyler? How you doing? Oh, Englishman, yeah. It's not a call in New York right now. Whew. Yeah, I think $5 a month. Lifetime too hefty for a journal. Should I make it cheaper? Okay, guys, for OTT, which one is this one? The journal. What would you guys be willing to pay dollars-wise per month for a journal? $5 a month? Or $50 lifetime? Or is that too much? Yay, Tyler, that's amazing. Well done. Okay, wait. Do you know what I have not done? I have not done a whoop whoop. I feel like a whoop whoop is needed. For everyone that got their wins in, everyone that maybe partialed. Did he make a journal? He did make a journal. Trade Addict says free journal. Okay, but like, you know, time and effort and stuff, at least like something. You can't take away for the time and effort that went into creating something. Never pay for journal if you can do it for free. Hey Chirp, what's up? Depends on the looks. Also microwave, I don't like new. I just like the... It's a bit windy. Hammer, something similar to Tradezilla, just missing a few stuff from it. Okay, so it's similar to Tradezilla, it's just missing a few things. You know, and I mean, a lot of people pay for Tradezilla. How much is Tradezilla per month? Isn't it actually quite costly? Are you talking about something like Tradezilla? It sounds like it. Yeah, OTT, is that correct? So it's similar to Tradezilla. I made my own journal too with a public chat in it also. Oh, that's cool. Do you charge, Hammer? I guess it depends on what it's offering. Can you link it to accounts or do you need to manually enter? I'll probably do a video I'll post on YouTube with all the features. There we go. See, OTT, I got you. I've found your dirty nose. Okay, so it's something similar to Tradezilla. Made my journal inside Discord. It's killer. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. No, I don't want to blue. So many of you guys. To give you an idea, I think I showed you guys this the last time. The species called blue, like they called the blues. No, not the opals. There we go. The species called like the blues. That is how many are in the book. The blues. There's so many of them. It's insane. I'm picking a nice one for you guys today. You ready? Where's my favorite dude? Oh, that's not my favorite dude, but he's cool. Give me a second. I want to show you guys my favorite butterfly. I feel like I've lost his name now. What is the name? What is the name of him? This is gonna drive me crazy. Where's my favorite butterfly at? Y'all just continue. These are quite cool. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope. Why are they so— here he is. No, that's not it. I lied. Oh, well, I can show you. Do you know, it's probably one of the most common butterflies that I've seen. It's not my favorite. I'll leave my favorite for later. So this butterfly I see everywhere, and he is so cute. It's weird with butterflies. The prettier they are, the weirder the behaviors they exhibit, really. I pay $30 a month on Tradezilla. Oh my gosh. Sorry, okay, so to answer with the journal, right? You can do both, link and manually enter. Got multiple accounts too, so you can journal different. Got a prop tracker if you're trading props, and also helps with consistency rules. That sounds really good. Hey Rolf, what's my Discord link? I'll send it in the chat now. What's up, Moonshine? You put it in a slot. Trade info. The only true journal, and it's everything you need when journaling, and journaling is mega important in the inside scale of OTTs. Only true journal is what you need to step up in levels. IB game, this is one area that I am failing. Okay, but I guess the question is, it's one of the reasons I don't like it. Yeah, the question is, what would you be willing, what would you think is a fair amount for that? For the only true journal? Yeah, what do you guys think would be a fair amount for it? Okay. So I don't think you guys are ready for this butterfly. He's really cute. Google's an idiot. There we go. Showing me pictures of butterflies, that's not it. Anyways. If you're gonna charge $4.99 a month. Are you ready? Are we steady? Whee! This one here, these are different pansies. These are different. That's just the eyed pansy and NN. Mine is specifically the blue pansy. They are everywhere here. And it's funny because it's blue, but a lot of the times it actually looks purple. Like it has little purple spots. And it like ranges in size. It can be this small, or it can be like actually quite a large butterfly. But it's really pretty and really chilled. Check at that. That's quite a nice photo. Depending on the lighting, it either looks like little blue spots or little purple spots. But yes, that is the butterfly for today, the blue pansy. Are you ready? So the blue pansy is 40 to 42 millimeters, the wingspan. It establishes territories on hilltops and ridges, sitting on the ground or low vegetation, darting off to chase intruders, so it's a little bit territorial. flying fast, sometimes soaring in aerial dogfights with larger butterflies. So this one just likes violence. Maybe that's why I like it. It chooses violence. It may be little, but it'll fight you. Distribution is common, not as widespread as yellow pansy. Savannas and woodland from Eastern Cape to KwaZulu-Natal, Swaziland, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Northwest Provinces, Gauteng, Free State, and Northern Cape. Okay, so pretty common. Habitat is forest edges, parks and gardens, hilltops, and coast. So everywhere. And the flight period is year-round in warmer areas, peak October, November, and Feb to May. And his Latin name is Junonia unknown. Nailed it. But yeah, there we go. There's our butterfly of the day, the blue pansy. He's cute as heck. He's one of my favorite. He's not my favorite though. I'll have to show you guys my favorite one, but he's cute. He's very, very cute. Anyways, back to the trades. Let's see what we get here. Explain why the book is always gone. Oh no, sometimes, you know, see so many butterflies, I go and try and identify them. Trades that I had lifetime purchases, I wouldn't be making a journal right now. It's a good amount to make money and it's small enough. We'll forget that they pay monthly even if they don't use it. Yes, $4.99, they got a lifetime for $4.9. A fair amount is probably more than I'm willing to pay at the minute. So many subscriptions. I've killed one of those before. That's dark as heck. Damn, Hammer. To be fair, I'd pay the $4.99 for lifetime. They sound like badass butterflies a little bit. No, that's not. I got you. I'll give it to you for free. I'll let you know. Don't trade if you can't afford it. Respectfully, the smarter thing to do is long-term investments. So Daytrading, do credit, just do it. DJ is sick. It swears it all day long because I know you'll only get better from now. Fact 2 about the pansy. Birds sometimes attack only the bright blue spots on the wings. Those flashy markings may actually act like decoys. Oh! Tricking predators into striking non-vital parts of the butterfly instead of its body. So, sharpening is thinking of buying at 282 to take to 300 plus. Wait, you're thinking it's gonna retrace back down and then go back up? We're still a little bit stuck within this range. I think you sit and practice the names. No. Gosh. Or do you think I am? No. It's probably the prop track. I hate constant zero so much it makes it easy for me. I've been doing iCondor options trade recently. Let's see if you have worked hard to create a product when labor wages. 282 to 335. Have you placed that trade? Sharpening? Yeah, 30man has a level at 282. Okay. So you're waiting for a little bit of a retracement, then back up to 335. I think this is going back up to the bob level. Interesting. That's not honestly. Wait. Moonshine, you're long in the 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Okay. Like to make money, I just do it because I didn't want to pay Tradezilla and there isn't a free journal. It doesn't feel right to charge so much. That's not aware of properly. Very nice touch on it. My long-term thing wasn't towards the way. Sounds it's something about buying. Could have thought I wasn't trying to sound rude. Hey, what's up, Arthur? How you doing? Expecting liquidity clear out. Okay, that makes sense. Your work is worth money. You can choose to give your time away, but it won't come back. I trade macro, but I can still chop up a chart. Let me see. TJ, maybe my friend who I'm teaching trading can use it. Ooh, that would be cool. We'll run down. Catching up on this conversation is amazing. Okay, well, happy-ishness. Let's see. Dom says the next short is now. Taken from a man who's worked for himself for 20 years and been around the block a couple of times. Yeah, all the time and effort you've put into it. Like, don't be greedy, but yeah. And you have all of us to help you. Right? Sorry, even just checking out ES right now. Yeah, nothing super special just yet on the 15-second. I mean, happy belated Mother's Day to you all. Oh, thanks, Tyler, I think. I am a mother of a fur baby. That counts, right? He is asleep right now, enjoying life, living his best life. Man, it looks like it just goes for it. Yeah, I don't think it's coming back. Well, say that, it's about to tap in here. Let's see what we get off of this level. Let's see what happens now at VWAP. I mean, all of my subscribers buy the lifetime and OTT gets a pink Lambo. That's not good. Come back if someone really uses it and actually sees success, that would be enough. The stops are not gonna hold. They're gonna reject. It's a short day. Arthur, really? You're saying it's a short day? Okay. Let's do a poll. Now that I've taken my trade, taking a minute. Okay, let's see what you guys think. Long or short day today? Get involved. Let's do this. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Rolf. Might be. You're right, Discord. Let's do this. It is also in the description, but I'll send one here specifically. Here you go, Rolf. My bad. Apologies. Nothing that sounds like advice there. I like it. It's precious and makes most of it. Family making memories means more to me than money. Teeth or fish. Short the rest of the day. I think we end the day lower than where we started, but there's going to be a lot of nonsense between now and then. True. What's up? Oh, Moonshine TP hit. Wait a second. Hey, Moonshine. Whoop whoop. TP for Moonshine. Anyone else get a whoop whoop? Oh. Spelled whoop like a chop. I only go short under VWAP. This rain next probably will make a move in an hour or 3. You're South African? I am. What's up? I am South African. I agree with Life Sound. Hitting 282 now would just neutralize the range. 296 to 330. Oh, nice. I'm curious about this. I could, never mind. I could already tell you for a fact it didn't retrace 50%. Okay, we've not quite broken above. Back in this resistance level. Straight back into that resistance level. Same, how's this weather today? Where you at in South Africa? Sick. I trade gold and I've just been trading the Nasdaq futures. That looked like a breakup. I'm just gonna break down short again. Attention. Is that one shirt with a black triangle? Technically this is... yeah, technically it's like 2 shirts. Should I do this? Will that help? Let's stop breaking your brain, Louis. Cape Town. Oh damn, is it cold there? I'm KZN side, sick. I've only been to Cape Town once. I have to check the rest out. Cape Town is amazing. I am gonna get shunned by South Africans when I say this, but I have never been to Cape Town. I have been living in South Africa for 20... how old am I? 27. For 27 years. Forgot how old I was. I have been living in South Africa for 27 years and I have never been to Cape Town. No, break my brain. Okay, so the we have a bit of a 50-50 split with regards to if we think this is going to be a long day or a short day. That's interesting. It appears I want to say the longs are, yeah, the longs are winning a little bit, but there's basically a bit of a 50-50 split with regards to that. That was a very big girl. It's short, we make money. I want to start streaming, maybe we cross paths and I'll show you Cape Town someday. That would be cool, sick. The black triangle is very distracting. For what, you need to come here. I know, it's just... hear me out, hear me out. Cape Town's expensive. Damn. Also, flights are expensive. And then accommodation will be expensive. You see, it's just expensive. I must go there like on a holiday one day. I don't know, do the wine farms or something. Not really like I drink a lot of wine, but dagnabbit. I was looking at this, but this goes against everything. That was just a feeling. I guess I could say, you know, there's a bit of a tiny order block on the 1 minute, the midnight, and the Fair Value Gap, but it would have been a decent little win there. How are we looking on the 15 seconds? Still nothing great. Okay, so still nothing great on the 15 second. Your London 15 second is not amazing. Whoa, you're how old? You're telling me OTT lied to me. Go for the beaches. I got to meet some people that were genuinely awesome. That is awesome, Tyler. Okay. We know that 9% of us are wrong, so. That's a bit of a gap. I think there's a massive gap in my day when I'm not watching this. Oh my god, wait. That was. Okay. Sorry, don't mind my brain going crazy. I'll traumatize you with my drive. It sounds about right. Okay. Can we please pick a direction? How are we looking at time-wise? So we are... okay, quarter past. We have... let's give this thing like 30 more minutes. Let's see, we are still technically... I can't believe this missed my TV. I'm a little bit salty about that. I mean, still in the green, still took a partial in the green. It's fine. Still a bunch of rubbish though. So pity about that. I did like that, but I would not have taken it. Shoot. For a super quick scalp, this may have maybe missed tagging me in. This would have been cheeky, but for a super quick scalp, I could have taken this. Again, I don't know, that may have missed me by a spread. I'm not even gonna say it took a spread if I'd taken that trade. This one would have been good. That one not bad. Let's see where we headed back down to. Taking out the wickless over there. They can't show you. Chat needs to help you. Let's get her to Cape Town. I missed the black triangle. 30-minute tried to close above the high of the swing low and it looks like it's failing. Who's in? Who's in the shorty short right now? Trade addict, you took another long. Remember Asia low. No, I remember Asia low. Trust, it's what I was very keen on it coming to take, and it just, in a way, gave me the middle finger, which I take very rude. Very rude. I take very personally, and I think it's rude. That's where English was attempting to go. Breaking down. Times 39, so that makes me feel old. I'm fuming, to be honest, as I didn't wait for my confirmation. First loss affected me. Oh no, that's not good, trade addict. We shorted 5 minutes ago. Take very rude. Technically, this is how it's done behind the scenes, but yeah, we'll see. And then the idea is obviously to buy at lower price, so we can hand them back to we lent them for. 11 AM to 2 PM is when it's purely the American trading. I know I don't really know, but I believe most countries use the US stock exchange, so I keep watching it. Lifestyle, now you're still young. I agree, Lifestyle, you're actually still young. And how many kids do you have? 1, 2. 39, that's pretty young. My aunt had her first kid at like 40, which I thought was 42. I thought that was wild. I looked at her and I was like, when you are 60, your child's only going to be 20. Well, you know, that range. And I was like, that seems insane. A nice pattern head and shoulders. Care rejection off of VWAP. ES is still going sideways. That being, yep, nope. ES is still going sideways. Can I help you? You've had so many sweets, you can't have more. What's up, Ninja? How's it going? It's a dead price action. Like I said, this could have been a very quick, sneaky trade. I probably wouldn't have taken it. I may have taken this one though. I just noticed it a little bit too late, just a fraction too late for me to take that one. 516. Two kids, 3 cats, 8 chickens, 27 quail, and a wife. That was about 85% of my nonsense. See, life sound, that is quite a lot for such a young man. Oh, and one singular guinea pig. I used to have bunnies. So many bunnies. Going to the gym, I can't watch the chart anymore today. Heck! Cheers, trade addict. Go touch grass, rest your brain. Come back later, try again. Let's give your brain a moment to just breathe. All good to accept it. Storming here in Cape Town, flood, hectic weather warnings for the next 3 days. Prep yourself for this weekend. Why? What's happening this weekend? what's happening this weekend. I feel like now I've missed something. But, oh, you're saying if it's Cape Town, it should theoretically come up this side? I don't know. Like I said, I am convinced that where I am right now is Narnia. Because I have seen people posting about storms and cold weather and everywhere. Everywhere. Even areas close to where I currently am. Storms, floods, cold. We have had some rain. When I say some rain, like maybe it would rain for 20 minutes and not like hard rain, just normal rain. Otherwise, like the wind's a little bit chilly, but it's been hot this weekend. It was like 31 degrees. At least you're not as old as my alive sound. She's like 78. Close enough. For a party this weekend. You're coming to New Orleans. Heck yeah, let's do it. We're trying a lot to deal with. Mine is going through some stuff. We experienced the weather first, and 3 days later it reaches the... Okay, Ninja, let's see. Okay. So 3 days later, so you think this weekend's gonna be insane. Let's see what happens. She looks like Aunt May. Oh, Aunt May. Life sound to answer you. Maybe it won't. Maybe this will be the last time you guys see me. By 30 you're supposed to have a savings account worth your yearly income. Lucky, but if I was 20 again, I would 10 times what I put into Nvidia. My fan lives on the East Coast on their 3-day weather warning. That is amazing, Ninja. Okay, well, thank you for the weather warning. I love it. I love it. Oh, flip.
Nice.
Oh man. Let's see. Okay, so volume's died again. I can't even trade on the 15-second right now. Even the 15-second is going sideways right now, so that's something. Do. Damn, that's now gonna be stuck in my head. Boo. Yes, it kind of looks like it wants to push up. I'm gonna place one buy limit here. And let's see where this goes. I think the buyers are now back in play. What if my yearly income is always going up? I have 4 herniated discs to worry about, so that's actually just gonna keep the lights on. Moonshine and rocket launched. Aw, cheers, Arthur. See you later, alligator. Hope you have an amazing night, right? It's nighttime by you. If it weren't right by the zone, I would actually be considering taking this. Ah, there we go. This could reject a little bit more solidly. Might retest further than I want to see it retest, but I think it's gonna just keep going up now. Yep, there we go. It's just gonna keep going up now. I did like that, but it didn't... Yeah. I did like the setup, but it didn't obviously want to come back to tag me, and now that it's there, it could reject further down. Hey Ryan, what's up? Alligators on New Orleans, that's what we like. BW says my first time being on stream. I'll be more often. Hey, that's amazing. Sick. Well, welcome. That's sick. Oh, I'll put myself in a timeout for that one. That was very lame. I mean, that's definitely. You check on stocks and right down. They'll go up. I don't think that's triple top breakout. These triple top down. That is sick. Yeah. Okay, come on. Like, I thought it was a funny joke. If I have to put myself on a timeout for that joke, I will, because I understand it was bad. Who's from New Orleans? Rolf, be curious. Oh, sorry. If it didn't just tap into the bob level, I would probably take this. And if it didn't just take out all of that liquidity, I would probably have tried or want to try and take this long here. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, it was a bad joke. There we go. So George is from New Orleans, and Rob says he is right by New Orleans. Whoop! There we go. Okay, like I said, it just took out all that liquidity and tapped into the bob level. Let's see what we get here. Which is why I didn't want to take this long, because I was expecting a little bit more of a price bounce, rejection, pullback. That's the one. I got there eventually. Took me a minute. This price action sucks. I'm just trying to stay entertained. I want to do a dance or something, or do another butterfly of the day. Wow. Did you just say that I'm not entertaining enough?
Emotional damage.
I just dropped my lighter from the third floor. Typing that. Let's find out. Please scroll a bit so you can see the reverse head and shoulders. Yeah, today. So that would have been a loss. Might just check the 5 minute. It's easier to see on the 5 minute. Oh, so you think it's gonna come back down to like here? 285-ish level? And then continue back up? Is that what you're thinking, Tyler? Oh my gosh.
Emotional damage.
Louis! Louis is being mean to me today. Wow. Just wow. Rude. Yeah. Rude. Let's go. Now you made me sad. Careful, I don't think you remember that my secret hidden talent is that I can make myself cry. I don't know when or how I learned that. feels a little bit like a manipulation situation on my part, which is bad. But anyways. I mean, a dance would be entertaining. I'll give you the sprinkler. Bim. Those are like my best moves. It's because you didn't respond to all of his briars earlier. My bad. Like I said, I actually haven't had a bri in a long time. Wow, maybe I'm not South African. Haven't gone to Cape Town. Haven't had a bri in over a year. That doesn't sound right. I think it's been over a year. Haven't had a bri in over a year. Gosh. Maybe I'm not a South African living in South Africa. I mean, first you take the black triangle away, then price action sucks. You don't even take the headband off to see what it looks. You've seen what I look like without the headband though. Can you really cry whenever you want? Yeah. You're more American than me? There's a small trend up right now, but it'll break down. I told you you were Irish. I feel like I would have a very cool Irish accent. Just saying. Don't ask me to even attempt one. Or maybe give me a very Irish sentence. And I can attempt, but I feel like I'm going to insult anyone that is Irish with my attempt and fail at an Irish accent. You got them boobs. I had to sprinkle at the 4-year-old disco no cap. That's amazing. You're not repping SA very well. I'm not. I'm really, really not. I need to be better. The problem is, down here, people don't actually really have, like, lots of bras. So, yeah, bras aren't really the thing. I had an earring and a mullet and the ladies loved it. Do you know what got me? It was the mullet. No. Just no. Here we go. So this one would have been a wicked out ruff. It's a little long here. Potentially at 5:30. Okay. So new half an hour. It didn't tag into my trade on ES. On ES, if I'm not mistaken. Let me actually see where it is. 41575. Ah. Was the trade I had set up on ES. Just didn't come and tag me in. Okay. Let's see, then cry, but not too much, just a little weep. It's not like I go like, like, literally I could just like, look at you. I don't know, maybe I'd find some deep, dark emotions lying betwixt, I don't know, suppressed issues. And I can cry. Hey, there we go, here's this long coming through. I don't think I could pull that off. Oh, cheers, Tyler in. Joy. Okay, wait. So, live sound. Oh man, guys, the second I get told to do an accent, I butcher it. Top of the morning to ya. Did I do it? Was that it? Was it close? Oh, I want to. You guys can't see there. Okay. I just had to flip off the charts for a second. Why? That was a nice trade. That would have been a nice winning trade. Okay, but we have now at least officially broken above some of that resistance level. Let's see what happens now after that, though. Beep, 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 beep. Into the bob level. Are we gonna get stuck in here again? Well, when people are stealing tires and cable, it doesn't sound like community. Generous bri lovers, that's valid. In kindergarten, I had the earring, the mullet, and the plate too tired. Blonde rice tail that went halfway down my back. Was it a real earring, Solly, or was it like a slip-on? Never had a mullet before, although I did have a ducktail once. What is that? Oh. Okay. Peace out. Where's the New Orleans? Oh, cheers, Arthur. Enjoy. Enjoy the rest of your day. That's unfortunate. But wait, I want to see something quickly. I would have used the smaller range, and that would have been what wicked me out. Would have pulled a proper Maya there. Would have wicked me out and went and hit TP. Rude. Was a good effort. Oh, okay, so you're disappointed in it. I need to roll my R's more, right? Top of the morning to ya. No? This is why I'm really bad with accents. Number one, I get camera shy. Believe it or not, I get camera shy. If someone had to point a camera at me, like just because you put the pressure of try and do this in an accent, I'm like, I panic. Because sometimes my friends were like, oh, why didn't you ever try acting or something like that? I'm like, this is why. I can't do it. Grade 9 girl. Prideful. Okay, so take the headband off and start headbanging to summons. Ah! You did that nicely. You could be an actress. Real earring. Oh, I under 640. I know. So mom let me get it. That is wild. Okay. I was only allowed to get earrings when I was 13. Was it 13? I think it was 13. This isn't a bad trade either, but again, if it weren't for the bob level, I potentially actually would have taken this. See how it reacts here. I said I can't even trade the freaking 15-second right now on ES. Getting no opportunities. You only need 2 years, 1 now. No, but I have Irish family too. Yeah, I get you. I do the whole freeze thing. That's why I'm not allowed Mike anymore. Short it now, it's too expensive. I had double diamond earring 2008 when I first discovered Little Wayne. How many do you still have your earrings now, Solly? You sound like a badass. Just saying. I don't know if that's a compliment or not. I would say that's a compliment. Someone was like, yeah, you sound badass. I'd be like, oh, thank you. And I'd say it exactly like that, which would completely diminish anything that would make me seem like a badass. Okay, let's see, off of Midnight Magnet. potentially moving. Now I'm a shell of what I once was, peaked in year 4. So you have no more earrings or anything? Why? Go get them done again. Live a little. Not gonna lie, I really want a tattoo. Again. I want to get myself another one. Hospital for drinking too then we ran. He's actually a nerd, unfortunately, but he makes the music that makes the money. What do you mean he's a nerd, unfortunately? Nerds are awesome. Nerds are the bestest. Piercing or attempt just to see if it hurts. You've never had any? Wow. I mean, I won't say it's like nothing. Well, it depends. My shoulder one, I barely felt. I actually didn't really feel it until she got a little bit to like the squishy area. Solly. I'm waiting for Solly's comment on that one. And then it hurt a little bit, but it was like right at the end. Are we talking about piercings or tats? Both now. I don't know how we got there, but we're talking about both now, Debbie. In your phone. Magnificent. Okay. Just rejecting off of there. Like I said, I can't even flipping trade the 15-second right now, which feels like insanity. I guess I maybe missed a little bit of a trade there. That's the one. That is the one. The bingo wings. I'm sorry, what? What the heck is tattoo flu? A really dark tattoo on the inside of my right arm was brutal and I had major tattoo flu after. Time for you to go to sleep. Get some... Gosh, I'm being told what to do. Also, it's like 11:40 in the morning in South Africa. Definitely not gonna go to sleep. What is tattoo flu? What? High stress pain. Okay, no, that it makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. It's just your body reacting to a, you know, it's like a fight or flight situation. Sorry, that I didn't know that. Listen, your body can go into shock with tattoos. Usually it's a lack of food, sugar, fluids, all the good stuff. Yeah, so that happened with... Sorry, you guys might get a little bit of TMI, but my back. The tattoo artist that... Of course this is now going to work out. Are you freaking kidding me? This is going to irritate me and give me a little bit of FOMO, which means I might have to call it early because now I'm wanting to take anything that pops up without thinking. The tattoo artist that did my back, oh, it was bad. I had that where I was like, I was shaking, there was blood dripping down my back. It was not good. People get nausea after having a tattoo, never heard of that. Mind you, I ain't got tattoos. Jay has the 100 contacts sitting at 29345. Oh, okay. Is that what it's after? Thanks, troops. I had a bunch of it was the worst when I was going woozy walking back from the studio. I got back. And then I laid out in cold sweat. Wow. Louis, no, basically my whole back. Kind of covered. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, man. I love and hate the bob levels, because this trade... I definitely would have taken this trade. If it weren't for the bob level being there, because it's sometimes... I mean, you guys have seen how it can reject off of that bob level sometimes so, like, quickly, and it just retests. Ah, if it weren't for the bob level, I definitely would have taken this trade. What a shame. Has the emotional support chicken... It hasn't! Which is making me sad. I need the emotional support chicken now because the emotional support chicken isn't here. That's not tattoo flu, that's called pink.
Emotional damage.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, my back tattoo is... I don't know. I don't even know if you'll be able to see. Might be able to show a little bit. Nope, not even a little bit. Is the start of the one. And it goes all the way up. It comes over. That's where the birds are. But it starts basically down here. Goes all the way up. Don't know if you'll be able to see the moon. The moon. I can't see if you guys can see the moon situation going on over there as well. Yeah, there's a lot going on my back. It's 500, 700, 700. Yeah, I can see them getting pulled before filling on both NQ and ES. Yeah, but only for 2 days worth of... Ah. Okay. It's a lot of FOMO and frustration kicking in a little bit right now, not gonna lie. It's gone to the 15-second, let me distract myself for a minute. Ooh. A little bit grumpy about that one. But there was a reason I didn't take it. I just have to remind myself that there's a reason I didn't take it. Little mouse self-controlled. Oh no, Louis, so my back is just basically filled with, I guess you could call it a memorial for all of my past horses. I have money flu. I've been sick for getting a tattoo, but it's because I was drinking. Captain! Okay, Solly, I have said this to you before, and I'm going to say it to you 1,000 times over. Please write a book. Please write a book. It sounds like you have had the most wild experiences in your very short time on Earth already. Which means it's probably only gonna get... Well, no, maybe that's it. But then you write about all the crazy stuff that happened. 12,600 sitting at 4.5. Again. I go into shop when I lose money. Let me just go see what he's barking at, because he's barking outside. It was nothing. It's on the mic. Everybody listen. What's up? What's up? Oh. Okay. Thank you. Just hold sitting. 5 total of 1,000 contracts filled there. Marvin horses. Good boy. So no, it had to do with like different horses. So I have one of them, they had a star, so I have one of their stars. The other horse's name was Rained On, so I have like colorful clouds raining, you know, to do with rain dance, like rain dancing. One of their names was Take a Chance. Then the colorful clouds kind of keep going, and then there has Take a Chance in it. Yeah, that's where the moon kind of comes in. Oh, that's blowing up. Blowing up the account. That's very frustrating about that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Didn't tag into my 15. Oh, it did. I lie. I'm in a trade. Oh. See, it tagged in and went up, so technically I need to mitigate risk by half. There we go. Not gonna lie, Rain Dance is the nickname. Yeah. DP hit, that's 4 for London. Hey, Louis! Nice! And along to the top of NWAG, then you're off. Has it already tapped out of NWAG? Oh, I forgot that the poll was still up. Okay, but it looks like the longs have won by 70% on the one side and 65. Okay, so basically what longs have won for the day. Louis smashing it. He really is. Oh, live sound on ES. Sorry, I keep forgetting about ES. I should actually maybe start marking out things on ES. Just a fun thought. Are you saying sideways today? I mean, Debbie, today hasn't been terrible. We have had way worse sideways days. Let's put it that way. I haven't hated this one. In the beginning, I was like, oh, this sucks. But then we actually had some decent stuff happening. Yeah. Let's see what happens here now. On MS, we still got NWAG top and Friday's high still available. Okay, nice. Live sound. Noise. Very, very nice. Let's see. I think after this all trade, I'll call it for London. Let me go touch some grass. Just chill for a little bit. Get ready for New York. New York, New York. That's not how the song goes. How's the song go? I butchered that. Hey, Bob, what's that? Price action is nasty. It is. It is. I luckily had a little bit of a tiny. I'm not gonna call it a win. I got a little bit of green. Put it that way earlier. I mean, I've decided the moment is past. It's not funny anymore. Don't worry, Debbie, I got you. That's on Solly, you guys still in buys. Still watching this. What does it look like here? A whiff. Okay, so if I'd used the GAN box there, it would have been tagged into there. Naturally. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm in the green, I'm in the green, I'm in the green. Stop being a greedy. I think I should go outside to take my stupid health walk. I'd rather eat my Kellogg's. You know, whenever I go on a walk, that is literally the little the sentence that keeps getting stuck in my mind. And my friend sent me something yesterday, which was like, it's not called like a mental health walk anymore. It's called like a troll stroll. You're just kind of going around like a troll. It's like, okay. Now you're flat until New York. Bob spotted. There was a Bob sighting. Wee woo, wee woo. Okay. Did break below, so it is possible for this to keep going further. Might be a little bit of a little loss here. Rejected, struggled to break above this resistance zone. Now potentially a little bit down. I keep thinking I need 12 pairs of grippy socks too. Ah, pip. Okay. So, a little bit in the red after New York. That's fine. Now, I'm gonna leave this up. Let's see what this would have looked like. Ugh, I then cancelled that trade. Watch it potentially work out now, but now ES looks like it's going down. Rejected just off of this bob level. This is now going down. Cool. Awesome sauce. That's my new favorite song, Sandy Daddy. Louis, did you listen to it? What did you think? Yeah. What do you think? Damn, that's 3 days in a row. I hit TP and price immediately goes the other way. Damn, look at you go. That took me out of break even, so I'm off. See you at New York. Bob level rejection. Yep. No, I think I'm off to be fair, life sound. I think I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. It's fine. So yeah, before go to bed. I love you guys. I will be back for New York. Yeah, I'll be back for New York session. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Love you guys madly. Trade safe. Yeah, trade safe. Okay.